Hello there, in this video we're going to expand our palette further and add more colours to our style guide. My voice has gone really low for some reason. Hello there, hello there, hello there. So yeah, not 100%, but we're still going to get the video done, so let's go. Okay, so welcome back. So back on the colours page, we've got our brand colours, our neutrals, and we've got our feedback states in. Now what we need to work on is our expanded palette, so colours for visuals, charts and supporting elements. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom out a little bit and have a look at our spectrum of colours that we created in our last video. So what we want to do, I'm just going to zoom down here. So what we want to do now is pick out a few more colours so we can expand the palette further in case we need to use these for extra visuals if we want to use them on our designs. Alright, so if we zoom in to our colour spectrum that we've created, I've left a few notes here. So under the colour spectrum, I've got our alert, success, and our error colours. We've also got the brand colours in there as well, so I know what colours are already being used in other areas. I've gone ahead and added some text just above some of the swatches that I'm wanting to use. So I know marking these colours, they're not too similar to the colours that we've already got, and it's going to give us an additional range of colours in this expanded palette to use if we need to on our designs. So as you can see, as I move up the spectrum of colours, I've selected lots of different colours, so we're going to have a good range of things to use when we come to designing. So the next step in the process is to open our plugins, go to the foundation color generator. I'll do the first one here as an example. So we'll go up to profiles, select Atlassian, click on color, I'm going to click on the eyedropper and click on the color here. And I'll just rename that to brown for now. I'm just going to click on palette. That's going to export the palette. Just close down the plugin. Let me just copy this because it tends to throw it somewhere on the canvas. There we go. So let me zoom back in. Just going to paste that just above the swatch so I can delete that marker there. Okay, so that's the first one done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to speed up the video and I'm going to create palettes for each of the remaining colors here on this color spectrum. So I will see you in a bit. Okay, so welcome back. As you can see, I've generated the palettes on this top line here, so I'm just going to go through them at the moment. So what I've done is I've given some of the color hex codes to ChatGPT just to generate some color names for me. So I've got caramel here, I've got lime, let's just move along a little bit more. I've got mint, aqua, arctic, sky, lavender, violet, magenta, and plum. So those are going to be our extra colors. So as you can see, there's 10 new colors to add. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take each of these palettes, I'm going to open the variables panel and I'm going to create the relevant variables, and then I will update the color swatches on our colors page just here, and we'll start to build out this expanded palette section. So I'm going to get to work on building out these colors, so I'll speed up this part of the video and I will see you in a bit. Okay, welcome back. So as you can see in our file, we've now got all of our colors added. So I've set up the swatches so they go horizontally. So we've got the darker 500 colors to the left and the lighter 50 colors to the right. Looks quite cool when you see them all together. They all look nice and related. They all look like they're from the same family of colors, which is good. I have gone in, I'll just click on to the variables. I've gone in and I've set them up as variables. So we have our expanded palette here. I just expand that out. So we have all the variables in here ranging from 50 all the way to 500. So if you can scroll through there, you can see all of those variables. So what we need to do now is, I think we need to tidy up the file a little bit. So I'm just going to go down, I'm just going to add a new page actually here. So let's just add a separator. Let's add a line break there. Let's add a new page. Just drag that down. Just going to call this the playground, and the reason why is I want to keep some of these elements that we've created just in case we need to reference them again. So if I go over to here, click on section, I'm just going to rename that to colors or color scale. I can put that there. I'm going to right click on there, I'm going to move to the page and I'm going to move to playground. So that's good, keeps the file nice and tidy. If I go to the playground and if I zoom out a little bit, there it is. So we'll lock that for now. So we've got that as a reference point in case we need to come back to it or in case we need to adjust or add any additional colors. We've got it here for reference. That's good. Go back to our colors page. Looks nice and tidy. Let's just start up at the top and have a quick look. Okay, so we've got our brand colors. We'll scroll down. We've got our neutrals. We've got feedback states and we have our extended palette here, which looks good. Let's press Command / to get the menus again. And let's go to review our unpublished changes. So we click on the icon up here, click on publish. It's now saying we've got 70 changed variables and those are the 70 colors we have added. And I'm just going to add a little description in here. So just put a note in here so we know that we've added our expanded color palette at this stage. And click on publish. There we go, Figma's publishing the file and we're all done. So all the variables are up to date. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. In the next video, what we'll start to look at is our typography. So we'll build out a typography scale that can support us when we're designing. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for getting to the end. Like and subscribe, add some comments, check out some other videos on my channel. I'm going to see if I can hear, because I can't hear anything out of this ear at the moment, which is not helpful. But whatever, I'm going to get some hot drinks and I'll be glad when the weather gets warmer. So have a great week and I will see you in the next video.